Does anybody else shop as much as I do on Shop Disney? I was so excited to see that Disney now has a new plushie called nuiMOs.
nuiMOs. nuiMOs.
They're very poseable, they're very adorable, and you can change their outfits.
What?
Viola, what plushie did you get? He's standing up nice and straight, but he can wave.
He can move.
He can do jumping jacks.
He can move his legs.
You can tap his feet and he can sit. Oh, and look at his little tail. We bought the Mickey nuiMO on Shop Disney for $17.99. It has a lot of possibilities.
Donald Duck.
Could you guess that this guy likes Donald Duck?
Yes. I'm wearing.
Donald is wearing his signature sailor shirt. He's got a fuzzy little tail. He's wearing his hat. He has an adorable little bill. And he's poseable. We purchased Donald Duck from Shop Disney also for $17.99. The kids picked out their plushies and they each picked out an outfit. Not for themselves, for their plushies. We have an olive green jacket, a plaid shirt tied around the waist, a white t-shirt, and some blue slacks. This nuiMO outfit sells for $12.99. I think that's a really good deal compared to how much I spend on my Disney outfits. We have the hooded jacket, a nice golden yellow shirt, some sports pants, and this one comes with a teeny tiny pair of shoes. This outfit also sells for $12.99. This is the part when I make things look like they're happening really, really fast, and we are gonna get these guys dressed in their outfits. So looking at the timer on the camera, that actually took us quite a while to get these nuiMOs dressed. But they are so cute. Here's Mickey in his completed outfit. He's got his white t-shirt, he's got his plaid shirt, his blue slacks. Of course Mickey has his yellow shoes. And he's got his green jacket. The details on the plushies and their outfits are very nice, but they're also kind of delicate, so be gentle.
So we have Donald Duck here. He has his nice little shoes. And he has his nice little jacket with a little zipper.
I like that Donald's shirt matches his bill. The shoes on the nuiMO have a little bit of Velcro in the back. They're a little bit tricky to slip on, but I actually feel kind of confident that as they're playing with the plushies, they're not just going to keep slipping off and popping off. All right, Viola, what do you think about the nuiMO plushie? Do you like the Mickey? And what do you think about his outfit?
Cute.
Looks super cute. And Michael, what do you think of the nuiMO plushie?
I think it's pretty cute. And like, I like the zipper.
And the shoes.
And the shoes are probably the coolest part of the nuiMO. Can you say it? I'm trying to. I almost said Nemo.
Yeah, just like Nemo. I'm hoping to see some Disney-inspired outfits in the future. Wouldn't it be so cute to see Minnie Mouse dressed as Cinderella? I also think these are going to be really nice for taking to the parks. They're small, they're compact, and you are going to get some of the most adorable shots of these plushies in the parks. I thought we were going to end the nuiMO video, but it looks like the story continues because we went to the Disney store today and bought some more things.
Yeah, and I'm really excited to show you.
She's really excited to show you. Let's take a look. We bought this Minnie Mouse at our Disney store for $17.99. Same price that I paid on Shop Disney's website. Thing that's a little bit different about Minnie is
that we can take it
can take her dress off before you get her dressed.
Yeah. And of course her tail.
Her little tail. You know, we're probably like $150 deep into these nuiMOs, and
because they're so
I still
soft.
second guess whether or not it's actually pronounced nuiMOs.
Tons and tons of polka dots, of course.
That's so cute.
Once you get all of the stuffing out of the nuiMO Loungefly backpack, it's actually lined really, really nicely. Honestly, we have a couple of Loungeflies and it feels like the exact same quality that you would expect. All right, let's get her accessorized.
So this is her cute, like little pepper, like little. This is the one that she has, this, cute little blue dress in this one.
Minnie was wearing
Her nightgown.
that's her dress. Minnie doesn't wear a nightgown to the parks. Minnie was wearing her red polka dot dress. All right, so we've got Minnie redressed. One thing I noticed about her feet is obviously she's wearing a heel. So the toes are kind of pointed, and it was quite a bit easier to get her dressed than it was to get Donald and Mickey dressed. She's wearing a denim embroidered jacket. The stitching's actually nice. She's wearing some plaid slacks, a red shirt. She came with a red bow, but the red bow that she already has is kind of permanently attached, so I'm not really sure what to do. She's double bowing it. Clearly we already love these nuiMOs because we're already growing our collection really fast. Thanks so much for watching.
Make sure, like, subscribe.
Click the bell button.